I promise you, there is no other woman in my life. I love you.
I love you. But there is no other woman better than I am.
Here you go.
I hope you don't mind.
And I will let no other woman ruin my marriage. Love, pakisuot naman to.
Alam mo naman hindi ko sinusuot to kapag may kliyente ako, di ba? Kara, I'm married.
No pressure. And kiss me. And don't you dare fall in love with me.
Star Cinema and Viva Films proudly present a love story that knows no time, no rules, no boundaries.
May iba ba?
Wala. Nobody.
We're just two consenting adults having fun. There's no emotional attachment.
Having fun? Ngayon, yes, fun. Pero paano pag iniwan ka na niya? Paano pag pinili na niya asawa niya? Paano pag naskandalo ng pamilya mo? Fun pa rin ba?
Kara, this is my wife, Charmaine.
Your wife.
Love is a battlefield.
Ang mundo ay isang malaking quiapo. Maraming snatcher. Maaagawan ka, lumabang ka.
Why don't you have dinner with us tonight? Pa-thank you ko na rin dahil kinuha mo asawa ko.
I'm sorry.
Bilang supplier ng furniture para sa resort nyo.
Everyone fights.
Anything I can do to help you?
Naku, wag na. Mamaya makita mo nilalagyan ko yung pagkain mo ng lason.
Hi, babe!
Mababaliw siguro ako pag nalaman kong may babae siya. Baka mapatay ko yung kabit. Silang dalawa, actually.
No one surrenders.
Kahit ilang beses ko sabihin sa'yo na wala nga nangyayari sa amin, you still make it seem like I'm cheating on you.
Eh di hindi na kung hindi. Ano problema mo?
Ano gagawin ninyo if the only man that you love is unfortunately married? I'm not gonna give up, Brad, without putting up a goddamn fight!
Christine Reyes.
Hindi ako to, pero ginagawa ko para sa'yo!
Derek Ramsey.
Ang laki na kasalanan ko. Hindi ko na maayos to.
And Ann Curtis.
Gagawin ko lahat! Huwag mo akong iiwan!
Because in love, there can be no other woman. Directed by Ruel S. Bayani.
Tsaka ano ba mas madali kalaban? Yung putang mahirap o putang mayaman?
Pare-parehong puta lang yun.
September 28, 2011.